Products made from wood using a CNC saw can be personalised and sold for a good profit. Just go and look how much you can sell a personalised gift for, and you will see how much money you can make by starting your own woodworking business. Creating personalised products from wood is a great hobby. It can also make you money. You can sell handcrafted products on eBay, Etsy, or open your very own online shop. And you can do all of this even if you have no previous experience at creating anything with wood. But are CNC machines expensive? Yes. Buying a CNC machine is very expensive, but did you know that you can make your own CNC machine from parts found in a local DIY store? So how do I build my own CNC machine? If you want to build your own CNC machine and start creating beautiful, profitable woodwork today, follow the link below this video.